wooden boat fans, Captain James here, coming to you from the galley of the good ship Junie Moon, and today I have my old man smoker. Yep, that's right, my dad bought this baby back in 1986 when I was just a young lad graduating from high school. We went to a little ocean trip down there. We went some smelting down on the ocean shores and scooped us up a bunch of smelt, and we were gonna smoke them bad boys, and this thing never happened. We took them to a smoker guy. I mean, can you imagine 150 pounds worth of smelt in this thing? Ain't gonna happen. Anyway, it sat in the garage forever, and then finally one day my baby brother says, "Man, do you want this thing? I'm tired of lugging it around." I went, "Yeah." And here it is. And so today what we're gonna show you is how to turn this into one of these, because this thing here, while it's a really good smoker, it can be used for two kinds of smoking. You can use it for hot smoke if you have a blanket, or you can use it for cold smoke, like for cheese and things like that, without the blanket. So today we're going to show you how to make one of those. Stay tuned.
Good morning, wooden boat fans. This is First Mate Denise coming to you from the good ship Junie Moon. Today's project, we are making an insulated jacket for our 30-year-old little chief. What we need is some insulating blanket, which is silver right there, some sunbrella to go over the blanket to kind of protect it from the wind and the weather and the rain, and then just some miscellaneous scissors, pencils, and clips. So there we are. We're going to get started, and we will be back in a little bit. So here we have marked out, we are making a slip cover for the smoker, and it will wrap around the smoker and will have a flap on the top up there that goes across the top of the smoker to cover it when it's in storage. And then it just opens up and we can take it out of the slipcover when it's done. So here we have our cutout blanket. It's going to be a slip blanket. It's just going to slip over. It's going to be pretty snug fit so that we can keep the heat in the smoker as well as keeping it protected from the rain. This is the flap on the top, and we will have to cut a hole, of course, for the handle. And then we need to cut a hole in the back for the electrical outlet, and that will serve as a weather protector as well, because it's just going to flap over the electrical cord. And then in the front, for the wood chip door, we will have to cut out another door as well to make it a flap. So our next step is to get the sunbrella on, and we're using green sunbrella because Junie Moon is all decked out in green. And we will get that going, and we will be back. Thank you. I just wanted to add that this is blanket that is used for making ironing boards and stuff, so that the metal part is going towards the smoker to keep the heat in. The sunbrella over the top of the white will help protect it from the weather. We will also be adding vents. There are some vent holes in the bottom of the smoker, which we will be putting grommets in, and those are along the bottom. And we will have two snaps here to snap this down. Well, here it is. Here is our finished smoker cover. It is insulated with the heating material in the inside and with the green umbrella on the outside. We added some snaps on it to keep the cover down. So we're trying to keep all the smoke inside of it. We use this handy dandy little snap tool to put those on. Then we also made our own binding to go around some of these edges so they wouldn't fray. And you just cut out pieces of this umbrella, however big you need it, however wide, fold it, and just sew it right on. We also did on the vent holes, we did some whipping around all of them so they wouldn't fray or anything. The slip cover, it actually just slips on, so there's no Velcro, there's no zippers or anything. It fits like a glove. It fits really good. We also in the back have our little flap for our outlet that this will protect it from the weather as well. And there it is. It's beautiful, it's great, and we can't wait to try it. See you next time, and God bless.